Hey everybody, Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics, and this is just a really beautiful little 1999 BMW Z3 M Coupe. And in this video, I'm going to take you around the car, I'm going to take you under the car, but first, buckle up because I'm going to take you for a ride in it. It just zips up to freeway speeds like lightning, as we would expect with a Z3. The steering's great, the handling, the braking, everything is just fantastic. Goes straight down the road without issue. Everything in it is working. We got ice cold air conditioning, all working gauges, sound system, horn, everything is in really great working order as well, making it super nice to drive. And it smells new. And excellent downshifting as well. So there you go. And you know, if you have any questions, actually, if you're looking at this on a third-party website, you should head over to my website, Left Coast Classics. That's Left Coast Classics right here. And there's a lot more content up there. And you're also going to watch the rest of this video because there's a lot more content here as well. You'll find our social media links up there and another set of photos. If you want all of these photos in high resolution, just get in touch. Call me, text me. My contact number is right here, and this is definitely the best way to get me. That's all I can think of. If you love wheeler dealers, I've been really fortunate to be on my favorite car show 3 times now. First episode was back in the time when Ed China was the mechanic. That was this 57 Ford Thunderbird right here. And then next one was in 2018, we did this really cool red Lancia Fulvia. And then we did another episode, a one-owner Triumph TR4. So check those out if you love wheeler dealers. Check out all our social media links up on my website, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I mean, even if I don't have a car that you're looking for, it's kind of fun. I'm always cruising around the wine country here in Sonoma, or at my place down in Orange County, in pretty cool cars. So thanks for checking everything out. Get in touch if you have any questions, and thanks for checking out this really beautiful little Z3 M Coupe. All right, we're heading under the M Coupe, and it's just nice down here. You can see we haven't detailed the car yet, but the valance is in nice shape down here, the rear valance. Just quintessential California car. And still has, it's got some Bilsteins back here. That's nice. It's not a leaky car. The floors are super nice and straight and clean. Still has a great deal of the cosmoline that it was coated with when it left the factory still down here. So just a really nice, well-preserved car. This would be a cool car to ice blast. I've been watching those ice blasting videos, tripping on how great they can make undercarriages look. But look, just really nice, great shape, complete, straight, clean, and tidy.